Yeah, hi. Welcome to Paper Trading with Matthew. We will today talk about FinNifty because tomorrow we have an expiry. Before that, what we will do is an analysis of today how FinNifty behaved. So before the market. So I'm just trying to play the video from back. All right. And I'll explain you what one needs to do, what they can do when we see a similar pattern or a box pattern or when we are at the resistance, what we are supposed to do. All right. So let me start. All right. We should always wait for 30 minutes. This is a 5 minutes candle. So one, two, three, four, five. So one more candle formed. So this is almost 6 minutes. That is 30 minutes. We should always wait for the first 30 minutes. So what we will do, we will draw a box at that 30 minutes. So if anything goes beyond this, up, we'll go long. Anything goes below the box, we'll short the market. All right. But bear in mind, we also have a resistance which is at 23,630. Here we have a resistance. So if it goes up, it's close to the resistance. So we have to be quick to book our profits or wait for the right time to enter the market. And also we have a resistance at around 23,727. If you look at this here is the resistance. So let's go forward. Market is still in the box. We will not take a trade. I always talk about a box theory. I have found another small box. If you are a little aggressive, you can take a trade here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost 30 minutes was in the range. If you're a little aggressive, you can go for this trade. Another thing you should watch carefully here. We came close to resistance. We made a evening star. Okay, a kind of a doji, then a negative candle is called the evening star. Whenever you see this pattern close to the resistance, always go negative. 80% it works really well. This is called the evening star. You can see here after this red candle did not go down much, only till here 23,550. So again, what we can do, we can draw a box here like this. The market has to go down or up for us to take a call whether to go up or down. So market has crossed this box. Definitely this after this box, this red candle here, you can put your stop loss and you can go for the trade. Now it's close, not very close, but yeah, close. It gave a bullish green candle. So you have to square off your position because give a bullish candle. Again, one can make a box because more than 30 minutes it spent time here. You can draw a box like this. If it goes up, go for a long position, goes down, go for a short position. We went for a long position here, as I told you before. It's a resistance. Again, you see a perfect evening star model it made, a doji for a red candle. So chances of market falling is there. So one needs to be cautious. Please notice here the market did not fall much, but again you can draw a box here because this market was within the range for a long time, right? I would say more than 15 minutes. You can draw a box. So it's more than 50 to 30, 35 minutes. So I'll go with a box. If it goes up, play for long, buy a call or short a put. If it goes down, buy a put or short a call. It touched the resistance. So one needs to be very careful when it touches the resistance. You can square off your position, or you can book 80% of your profit and just keep 20 or 10% of your position open. That's it. So market closed at this level, that is 23,700 plus. Okay. So tomorrow, what could happen? And this box strategy works pretty well. I'm just telling you. Only thing you need to be a little precise with the resistance and the support. If the box is formed close to the resistance, you need to be a little careful. But if it breaks the resistance, definitely you would get a good rally on the top side, because a lot of call sellers would be squaring off their position. So the market keeps moving higher and higher. Same thing happened here. So here in this, there was a resistance at 23,630. So a lot of 650, call people who have short, they definitely would have squared off. That's the reason it went up another 50 points up. So tomorrow, what could happen? If there's a gap up, definitely the market would, Fin Nifty would try to break the 23,835 and would go to touch the 23,953. Breaching 24,000, I don't see a possibility, but we may not know. But can try going till here. Or if it tends to fall, it can again come back to 23,500 levels. That's what I foresee with FinNifty. And sure, more than three candles or four candles, you can always draw a box. It goes above or below. You can straight away go with the buy or a call. You can also, as I told you, you can also come up with a MACD and to check whether you can go short or long. So I have told you, whenever the blue line crosses the red line, you can go for long. Whenever it goes short, you want to go short, the red line has to cross the blue line. As simple as that. And my settings are a little different, which I've told you in my previous class. That what is my setting. You can check my previous video about putting the right setting for this MACD. So MACD, whenever you see the blue line crossing, go long. Whenever you see the red line crossing the blue line from above, go short. As simple as that. If you look at this today's pattern, definitely it is followed perfectly in the same lines where the MACD was showing us to take a call or a put, depending upon the strength of the market. If you look at the option chain, you have a lot of call riders at 23,800. If this is breached, definitely you will see 100 points rally till to 23,900. And 23,000 also is a good strong resistance. Next you have at 24,000. 24,000, I don't see possibility of touching here, but we may not know, as I told you before. So, and we have a good resistance at 23,500, and 23,700. You have like a straddle, almost equivalent call riders and put riders, almost. Okay, so that's how it is. And if I have chosen two strike prices, one is call and one is put. Call strike price I've chosen for FinNifty is 23,700 call. If it goes below 23, I would say it's going to become zero. So never chase for it. And in the same way for FinNifty 23,750 put, if it goes below 53 rupees, I would say don't chase it. Chances are high that it may go and touch zero. So right now, if you look at the current prices, both the call and the put are neck to neck, 81, 82. So there could be a good struggle or fight between bulls and bears tomorrow's market for Nifty expiry. So be a little careful. Make sure you go with a small position. And I told you, always buy a call only at support and buy a put at a resistance with a stop loss, so that even if you lose, you're losing a very nominal amount. And if you get a rally, definitely you'll get 50 to 100 points a rally, upside or downside. And also look at the RSI for to check the strength of the strike price you have bought. And along with that, you can also go with the volume also gives you a good indication how things are shaping out for that particular strike price, which is pretty important for us. So what you can do, you can drag this volumes and put it here, so that you'll have both in one line. So that's how. So look at the volume. Normal volume is this, but look at the huge big green candle. In the same way, look at the huge big green candle. Whenever you say a huge big green candle, that shows that chances are high that it could go up. See, even the volume were less, but chances were high it went up. So I'm just telling you, this is called, there's a good big candle here. So you know what would happen tomorrow. Chances are high that it could go further up. Chances are there. All right. So that's how you can also look at the RSI and the volumes and, and the chart. Okay, this is how it looks like. And if you have any questions, you want me to talk about any stocks, you want to review a stock, or you want to talk more about any other indices, please let me know. Thank you for watching my channel. Please keep sharing, subscribing, and share with your family and friends. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye bye for now.